back to my channel. It's Angel if you're new here. If you're not new here, welcome back. As you can see by the title, I'm moving. Well, me and my sister are moving, and I'm starting this in the car. We're currently on our way to get a money order so we can pay the deposit and everything. Today is move-in day, but we're not moving our stuff in till like tomorrow. But it's perfect because I want to give you guys like an empty apartment tour. And we actually haven't seen the one that we're moving in yet. We just seen like the model building, which I don't know if was smart, but hopefully everything's great. Also, it's been like a month or so since I posted. I dyed my hair. I did film me dye my hair. So I'm gonna insert that clip here if you wanted to see it because I filmed it, but I didn't upload till now. So yeah, I'm dyeing my hair jet black. Here we go. We've seen box dyes. Hopefully all goes well. I know I only had this color for a couple months, but I need a change and my hair is so unhealthy and I want it to be healthy. As you can see, my roots are needing a touch up, but I don't want to dye it because I don't want to damage it anymore. So I'm just dyeing it back black, but I'm going jet black. And yeah, I feel like I need a change. I feel like when I dyed my hair, I was in a different place. People were in my life that are in my life now. So, you know, I'm just ready for a change. I need a fresh start. My ginger-ish hair era is over. But I have extensions that are ginger, so I need to dye that as well. Did all of this. Not cute. Okay, so 20 minutes has passed. We've got a little mess here. Probably should have kept my gloves on, but I'm gonna hop in the shower anyways. Rinse this out. It's black. Guys, I finally joined the team of strawberry refreshers because it's literally amazing. Guys, I'm in my new room. So yeah, I'm about to give you guys an empty apartment tour, but they're about to bring in the refrigerator and the dishwasher and microwave and stuff like that. So I'm gonna wait till that's all done to give you guys the full tour, but we're here. I got my cards. Here's the fit for today. With my pink Crocs. This little shirt is from H&M. So right now they're applying refrigerator and microwave and all that stuff. So I've just been cleaning the bathroom and stuff. Welcome to our apartment. We have the dining room area. I'm actually probably going to have like my business over here. It's undecided yet. We probably should have got 3 rooms, but we didn't. So yeah, this is the kitchen. I'm very excited. Maybe I'll learn how to cook now. No promises, but I'm going to try to actually cook. Pantry and stuff. And then right here is actually the laundry. And I'm very excited about this so we don't have to go to a laundromat or like a community. Some extra storage space. Oh, they already got us one.
Yeah, they already gave us. I already gave us a trash can.
Okay. Okay, so then you come to this little hallway, and this is my room. And that's pretty much all you can see. So it's not a pretty view, but you guys can look outside at it since there's nothing but trees. Here is the closet. Very excited to have a walk-in closet. Then here is the bathroom. So yeah, it's pretty regular. And then we have the living room.
I'll show you.
And then we do have a balcony as well, which is always great. And then this is Faith's room.
It has stuff everywhere. Yeah.
She has the big closet.
My closet. What's for my bathroom? Oh wait, it's not clean, but yeah. I was in the middle of cleaning it.
And that is our apartment. Nothing too fancy, but I think it's really good for our first apartment.
Right.
And I love it already, so I'm excited. Okay, and they were like really sweet and gave us this bag full of goodies. I can't really show everything because it has the name on it, but I wanted to open the little welcome mat together. Okay, I opened it with the key. It says there's no place like home. It says there's no place like home.
That's cute.
Okay, so just updating the vlog. I'm back home. Well, my mom's house. That's really going to take some getting used to. But we went to the store and now we're just packing up a few things because we're going to spend the night at the apartment. So yeah, and we also need to finish packing because we're still not finished. I have so much shit and I don't even remember getting all this stuff, so it's a lot to pack. Right now I'm just packing downstairs for my business vlog. I have to bring a lot of inventory, so I've just been clearing off the shelves and stuff. Guys, we're back at the apartment and I'm so exhausted. This is how my room is looking right now. Yeah, kind of just brought what we could. This is my little sleeping arrangement for tonight. Looks very comfy. So the movers are actually coming Wednesday instead of tomorrow. I forgot to mention today's Monday, March 21st. If I didn't mention that already. So this is my sleeping arrangement until Wednesday, which I'm not new to sleeping on the floor. The floor is actually pretty comfortable, so I'm not worried about that. And the cats are here. I really can't sleep without Penelope, so of course she's here. She is hiding in the bathroom right now because it's a new space, and my sister also has a cat and they do not get along, so they had a little fight. So she's hiding in the bathroom right now. Penelope, are you gonna come out? Are you gonna come out, Mama? She has taken comfort behind the toilet. But okay, I'm actually gonna start getting ready for bed because I'm exhausted. Okay, so I'm in my PJs. My sister and her boyfriend actually just went to go get us some food. But let me show you what's kind of going on in the refrigerator because she kind of organized it. Okay, so she's seen these organizers on TikTok and look at the eggs. It's so fancy. Some waters. And yeah, that's pretty much all we have in the refrigerator right now. Yeah, tomorrow will be a lot more fun because I'm gonna go to Target. I haven't really bought anything for my room or the bathroom or just this apartment in general. So I'm gonna do some shopping tomorrow. And then we didn't really get groceries. Probably just gonna do that tomorrow as well. But yeah, here's to the first night so far. Everything's good. It honestly still doesn't feel real. But I'm just so grateful that we were able to do this because this has been a goal of mine, of ours really, and I'm glad that I get to experience it with my sister because who better to experience it with? And then I'm experiencing it with you guys as well, so it's a blast. Okay, so I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna head to bed and I'm gonna finish this vlog tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna make this a series, so I'm gonna end this vlog off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know today was kind of all over the place, but it's my vlog. What did you expect? Anyways, if you have made it up to this point in the video, you're a real one. But also comment this emoji down below, just because I like to see who watch my videos all the way through, and it's kind of like an inside joke that only the besties know. So leave that down below. Guys, I'm too comfortable. But okay, for real. Good night.